Stocks were lower today, and then following the close, Disney coming out announcing profits that exceeded Wall Street's estimates. For more details, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. Deborah?
Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, Disney's fourth quarter profit rising 18%. That did exceed analysts' estimates. And they got these higher earnings on higher fees from pay TV operators that carry ESPN sports programming. The cable fees helped to counter, however, a drop in advertising, something that they're still dealing with. And you can see Disney up 2.75%. Theme parks, which is Disney's second biggest business, have really been struggling to get a lot of tourists to come to those theme parks during the recession. However, the film studio registering a second straight quarterly loss. Moving along to Nordstrom, another earnings report that we got after the close saying third quarter profit rose after revenue increased. But one of the things that when you dissect profitability is gross margins, and you can see the stock is lower by about 5% right now. This was after gross margins increased by 90 basis points, but analysts predicted that gross margins for Nordstrom would increase by 170 basis points, so kind of missing the mark there. Profitability in the quarter, according to the company, was crimped by performance-related pay. And taking a look at the markets in the session, in Thursday's session, lower, and in fact, stocks falling from that 13-month high as energy shares slumping following bigger than estimated growth in oil stockpiles. You saw a lot of the energy stocks like Southwestern Energy and Range Resources sliding, and in fact 39 of 40 oil and gas companies in the S&P 500 lower as crude oil tumbling. Not only did you see crude lower, the dollar strengthening against 14 of the 16 major currencies, also leading to that decline in commodities. And we talked about this yesterday about Hewlett-Packard and the 3Com deal. 3Com rallying 31%. That was its best gain since 2007 as Hewlett-Packard offered to purchase that company for $2.7 billion. Taking a look at some chemicals, Dow Chemical saying that rising sales and cost savings after its acquisition of Rohm and Haas will boost its earnings more than analysts expected. Shares rising the most since July. That's it from here at the New York Stock Exchange. Pim, now back to you.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun reporting.